Yes, hello there. My name is Peter MJ. I'm standing in for my team called Scrum Team 5, BYE Design College. And the name of our app is TaxBuddy. So I would love to do a brief overview of what our app is about. So TaxBuddy aims to be a go-to productive tool for individuals and small teams looking to manage their daily tasks and long-term goals for its effectiveness. The app will provide users with a seamless and customizable task management experience, enabling them to track progress, set deadlines, and collaborate on shared projects. With intelligent reminders and project insights, TaskBuddy goal is to boost user productivity, minimize missed deadlines, and help them stay organized in both personal and professional settings. So we see that TaskBuddy actually is meant for both individual and product and professional use. The future state of the app products envisions TaskBuddy as a market leader in productivity app space known as simplicity and intensive design. So actually TaskBuddy is being designed with the idea of making task or collaboration teamwork, whatever it is being called, a more easier and seamless thing to be done. So for our app, we went through some series of milestones. We have milestone A, which is task management and customization. We have that of collaboration and communication. We have that of scheduling and tracking. We have that of AI and automation. We have that. So from there, we went to the backlog where we created our Jira board and the likes of it, where we created a wireframe, a prototype of how it should be. Then the wireframe was being linked. From that, we went to our Figma to create a high wireframe standard for it. Then so in constant time as we go on with the sprint, we receive reviews from our clients, our customers, and our stakeholders on how to make the app more better. So from there, we created more Jira board tickets due to the feedback we received. So we continue to develop the app on each sprint. So I would actually love to go through a quick walkthrough of how the app should be. So looking at the app production from here using Figma, you can see that the app was actually created on Figma. We have the tags, we have the sign up page, you have the create account, that section page. So I would love you to see how the prototype works. So this is how the prototype works, the linky part of it. So let's just go on a walkthrough stage of this app. So looking at this, we could see that from this app you can sign up normally. You can sign up to your Apple, you can sign up with your sign in with your Google. So let's just click on sign up. So from here you can create an account, your username, email, password, select a country, then we should get started. So from here you can select if it's for school, for work, for project, for daily tasks. Then from there go to continue with selected. So we have like in the milestones you saw earlier, we have the task management, task members, we have the task management, collaboration, communication, task dependency, task tracking and likes of it. So but for now, we have done that of the task management and collaboration and communication. So we shall just walk through briefly. So with task management and to-do list, we have this, then get started. From here you can create list of apps of tasks you want to do. So from here we created a prototype of how it should look like. So work for a dog and feed a dog, which is this. And you could actually see how that works very effectively. Then to go back is here. Then to add more tasks is here also. So going back to the main app, you click on this icon here and then to show us lead us back here. So we also have the collaboration and communication which I said we've also done. So from here you could see how you can work as a daily task, you can share with a group, you can work with a group and see the list of tasks that has been done there. So another thing we've actually done is the automation part. So from here you can see automation, and the automation is a list of how the app is being done. So you can see task stabilization. So this is when you are working with a team. It is being created by this person, created by this person, created by this person, and things like that. You can actually see how it's being done. So if a team is to work with this now, this is the to-do list, and then this is the project one. So this person created this, it was being created by this, and you can actually see that it's being shared to this. So you can actually arrange the tasks with any format, and we have different views there. So we also have the automation part. So this automation part is just arranging the deadline in arranging the tasks has been created. Then another thing I would love you to see is how it is being arranged due to deadlines. So automation deadlines, well, what to do, when to do it, and the list of tasks being arranged there. So another thing is working as a team. Of course, like I said, this is very, very important because the major purpose of this task body is to work as a collaboration. To work as a collaboration. So I would say what actually helped us thus far in this app is the idea of working as a team and the scrum meeting we have seamlessly. So this scrum meeting we have seamlessly have actually helped us in creating ideas and working with feedbacks we receive from clients and the likes of it, and even feedbacks from peer groups on how to make this work. Because when we first created that of the wireframe, like you saw in this presentation, the wireframe, we need to okay after the wireframe, then let's do a better and a more functional design. That's why we selected this color code, and then we make it like this, as you could see from the Figma presentation I just reviewed to you. So these have actually helped us, and the major challenge we actually faced again in this project is that the part of working as a team, we have different ideas and we have different developers. So when you bring an idea and the other person bring an idea, so we try to like complement the idea and make it a whole one. So another thing we had issue with is we are finding it difficult sometimes to actually work with our Jira board. But later on, with the help of the team members too, this actually make it very, very possible and visible. Then I would love to actually say this. The idea of the agile methodology we actually implied here is the part of customer satisfaction and also um, feedbacks from stakeholders. Because when we work with customer satisfaction, this actually helped us in actually doing the app in order to favor the target audience. So when we did a part of just tax alone for individuals, we have to like do it in a way of sharing as a group so that you could actually use this app as a group of people and work using it to fulfill a certain task and certain project opportunity. So task what actually fulfilled, looking at this now, we'll be able to like walk through our major purpose and major goal for this app, which is to be a go-to productive tool for individuals and small team looking to manage their daily tasks and long-term goal more effectively. So we could actually recommend this to other people we love to actually do this to help their tasks and their even their normal to-do list, their daily to-do list to very, very more effective. So I believe with this app, we can actually even do more. Though with our feedback from our stakeholders is to continue working on this and to even make it more suitable even to the economic at large, not just the few people we share to it, but able to make it a very, very productive thing that even project management companies, social design companies, or even oil and gas companies could actually make use of this app even in navigating their tasks and also in communicating with their clients and laborers and even workers more effectively, creating tasks for them and assigning them to the duties, just like it is being done in the GR board. So I would actually love to say that's actually been a very, very great thing, and we are still actually under construction doing this alongside the project. So but thus far, in all these projects, we've gone that far and we've done this, and I believe this is actually a success and still working on it with the help of the team, the product owner, the scrum master, and developers in the team. That actually be very, very, very successful. And one other thing I would actually love to point out to is agile management methodology is actually that actually helped us a lot in this. Like I said, the daily scrum meeting we have, the review of feedbacks from them, from our peer groups, and also feedback from the stakeholders and customers, and also the review of making sure that the app is being done to the taste of the clients and taste of the customers, and also the task that of the stakeholders. So these are actually the major agile products, agile methodology we implied for this app. So I would love to say thank you for listening and God bless.